This is Jiachun from Applied Data Science 2020 Spring Class. Today, I'm going to introduce the basketball live prediction and analytics I conducted with March Madness play-by-play data. I'll present my work in these 5 aspects. First of all, I'll give you a short introduction about in-play betting. In-play betting is betting on a game while it is happening. It explodes in the US lately as it is a fun way that makes bettors continue to be engaged in the game. However, in-play betting still has a strong potential to grow as it only takes less than 20% of the market in Nevada sportsbook. But it still has a market value of $20 billion as the whole sports betting market is really large. Here comes the opportunity for data science. In this report, I'm going to, first of all, conduct live prediction models minute by minute, and second of all, explore the game-changing events with the regression results. And I'll describe the data pre-processing process very briefly. I'm using the March Madness play-by-play data, using 2015 to 2019 seasons as training and 2020 season as testing. In the pre-processing process, I aggregated the play-by-play data in game level for each minute by counting how many times each event happened in 1 minute accumulatively. So the processed data consists of 136 independent variables. Each variable represents a certain event type or sub-event type. Here is the result of in-play live modeling with linear and Poisson regression. First off, for linear regression, instead of generating a single regression model, I generated 40 models with Lasso range regression compared with default models. The model prediction results follow our expectation that there is likely to make a -10 +10 prediction mistake to the final scores in the first 10 minutes. Later on, the prediction mistake interval decreased to approximately -6 +6 before the last 5 minutes. Here's the validating results based on 2020 play-by-play data. The reason for the low error rate for the validation data could be the cancellation of the 2020 season. We can see that the 2020 final score mean is lower than the mean of 2015 to 2019. This could result from the fact that the 2020 season got canceled in the middle, thus the data distribution is different from the previous seasons. Also inspired by the Women's World Cup in-play prediction by Jay Boys, we can consider the game process as a Poisson distribution. Therefore, I followed a Poisson process that predicts the point gain in 1 minute period. Here's the result of the Poisson regression model. It turns out to be a poor performed prediction model as the RMSE is really high. However, the graph here shows that the Poisson distribution simulates the average score gain in each minute very well. What could be the reason behind it? It could be the result of the difference between soccer and basketball games. The more detailed explanation is included in the final report. And the part 4 is go further from regression. What are the game-changing moments? So I concluded 5 game-changing moments in the basketball game, and I'm going to introduce the first 2 of them in detail. So first, about shots. It is very important to make a three-point shot in the beginning, as the more time elapsed, the less important a three-point shot is, as the coefficient drops from 3.33 to 2.69 while a game is playing. And about violation. The effect of making a 5-second violation in the first 5 minutes is disastrous, which has the potential to cause more than 6 points lost to the final score. So don't make the 5-second violation in the beginning. I also conduct some facts about balls, about jump balls. as well as free throws. So the last part is the continuation of the work. What is the next? First off, the prediction model can be implemented in in-play betting with live data pipeline built. With further exploration of nonlinear model training, the prediction accuracy can be improved as well. Thus, it is possible to build a functional real-life in-play betting machine learning prediction pipeline, making reliable predictions and betting on the best. Secondly, the interpretation of the linear regression results can be beneficial to basketball team training, especially with the real-life pipeline constructed. Team coaches can use the system to perform in-play instruction as well as team strategy changes according to the live prediction model, making wise decisions that are supported by big data. That's all about my presentation. Thank you so much.